ओम ज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनिति नामिने। नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशतारिणे वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। मूकं करोति वाचालं पंगुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे श्रीगुरो दीनतारणं। So Hare Krishna everybody, welcome for today's Essence of Bhagavad Gita series. Today we'll be discussing more on chanting. So today being Ekadasi. It is said that Madhava Titi Bhakti Janani Jatane Palana Kori. The holy days like Ekadashi Tithi they are very conducive for spiritual development. So one should follow this with great determination. And in ISKCON, we generally follow this Ekadasi by giving more time to Krishna consciousness, reducing our bodily demands, and then giving more time to Krishna, especially chanting, hearing, service, like that. And Ekadashi, some people fast also. What is the benefit of fasting? One thing is it gives health benefit. The body needs a break. So when you fast, the stomach gets a break, and then the body gets again rejuvenated because of this fasting. It is said that once in a fortnight fasting is good. And another benefit of fasting is you don't have to cook. So when you reduce cooking, your time is saved and you can do more spiritual activities. So one thing is you get more time for Krishna, and another thing is you get health benefits also. So that's why they keep fasting. And Ekadashi, especially in Gaudiya Vaishnava Parampara, we fast from grains. We don't eat anna. Grains like rice, wheat, and any flour, all these things. We don't eat even beans and peas. That is also avoided. So basically, vegetables or fruits can be taken. And there are some fasting items like sabudana, those things some people take. So this reduces our bodily needs, and we can give more time to Krishna. So that's the advantage. So today I was thinking of discussing Shiksha Ashtakam, Sri Chaitanya Shiksha Ashtakam, which tells about where Lord Chaitanya tells about chanting. So Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu inaugurated this chanting 500 years back. The chanting of the holy names was always there, but 500 years back, especially Lord Chaitanya emphasized and spread this chanting of Hare Krishna all over the world. So that is a special contribution of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And his name is also Sri Krishna Chaitanya. Krishna Varnam Tusha Krishnam. One who always chants the name of Krishna and one whose color is not Krishna, not black. It is golden color. So Krishna Varnam Tusha Krishnam Sango Pangastra Parshadam. And he comes not with weapons, but with his devotees. So his devotees are his weapons. Sanga Upanga Astra Parshadam Yagne Sankirtana Praye Janti Sumedasa. And he will inaugurate the Sankirtan movement. And those who are intelligent, they will take to this process. So only the intelligent people will be able to appreciate and take to the process of Krishna consciousness. So anybody who has taken to Krishna consciousness, you should think that he is very intelligent. Jai Krishna Bhaje Sai Bada Chatur. One who worships Krishna he is intelligent, right? He may be a villager, he may be illiterate, but if he is worshipping Krishna, he is intelligent. So intelligence here doesn't mean material intelligence, it means spiritual intelligence. He has understood the goal of life. That's why he's called as intelligent. So Lord Chaitanya gave 8 verses. 8 verses give the eloquent summary of Sri Chaitanya's spiritual teachings. That's why it's called as Ashtaka. Ashtaka means 8 shlokas are there. These verses set the mood for chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Acharyas have said that one will attain Nishtha, steadiness, and become attached to chanting Hare Krishna by developing the qualities described in the first 4 instructions of Sikshashtaka. So by reading the first 4 and practicing the first 4 shlokas, one will become Nishtha stage. And later shlokas take one to the stage of Bhava and Prema. प्रभुरा शिक्षाष्टक श्लोक यही पढ़े सुने कृष्ण प्रेम भक्ति तारा बड़े दिने दिने. If anyone recites or hears these 8 verses of instruction by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, his ecstatic love and devotion for Krishna increase day by day. Bade dine dine. Every day the love will increase. One should thoughtfully chant the Sikshashtaka every day before chanting the holy name in order to improve the quality of japa and to receive beautiful realizations. So in all the ISKCON temples, we chant the Sikshashtakam before chanting Hare Krishna. So after Mangalarti, we chant the Sikshashtakam, 8 stanzas, and then we start chanting Hare Krishna, because that sets the mood. Anything you have to do, you have to prepare yourself. Like if you're going to write an exam, you have to prepare for the exam. Similarly, when you're going to chant, you should prepare for chanting. So Sikshashtakam helps in this. So you are requested to study and try to enter into the spirit of this hymn with great care and attention as a regular daily function. So Srila Prabhupada says this, daily you should chant this. So these are the 8 stanzas. This slide is a little technical because it categorizes what is being taught. But today I'm going to focus only on first shloka, the 7 benefits of chanting Hare Krishna. So the first 5 shlokas deal with sadhana bhakti, and then 6th and 7th shloka deal with bhava bhakti, and the last one with prema bhakti. So I'll start with the first shloka, 7 benefits of chanting Hare Krishna. So this, instead of Statue of Liberty, one is chanting Hare Krishna. That is the goal of life. That is special. One who chants Hare Krishna, he is special. So I would like all of you to recite this shloka. If possible, you can unmute and then recite after me. I'll recite part by part, so you can unmute and recite. Okay. Cheto darpanamarjanam
Cheto.
Yeah, you can unmute and recite. Okay, so I'll repeat again. Cheto darpanamarjanam
Cheto darpanamarjanam
Bhavamahadavagni nirvapanam
Bhavamahadavagni nirvapam
Shreyakairavachandrika vitaranam
Shreya Kairava Chandrika
Vitaranam Vidyavadhu Jivanam
Vidyavadhu Jivanam
Anandambudivardhanam
Anandambudivardhanam
Pratipadam
Pratipadam
Purnamritaswadanam
Purnamritaswadanam
Sarvatma Snapanam
Sarvatma
Smaranam
Snapanam
Napanam
Param Vijayate
param
param
vijayate.
Shri Krishna Sankirtanam.
Shri Krishna Sankirtanam.
So thank you very much. So the whole shloka goes like this. If you read in one go, it goes like this. Cheto darpanamarjanam bhavamahadavagni nirvapanam Shreya Kairavachandrika Vitaranam Vidyavadhu Jivanam Anandam Buddhivardhanam Pratipadam Purnamrita Swadanam Sarvatma Snapanam Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. So there's a little long verse, this first one, but very meaningful verse. This verse tells about the benefits of Sri Krishna Sankirtana. So the meaning of this is like this. Can somebody read this translation? Who would like to read
Hare,
this translation?
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Yes, Nishchay.
Let there be all victory for all the chanting of the holy name of Lord Krishna, which can cleanse the mirror of the heart and stop the miseries of the blazing fire of material existence. The chanting is the waxing moon that spreads the white lotus of good fortune for all living entities. It is the life and the soul of all education. The chanting of the holy name of Sri Krishna expands the blissful oceans of our transcendental life. It gives a cooling effect to everyone and enables one to taste full nectar at every step. Hare Krishna.
Yes. Thank you, Nishchay. So this is the meaning. Now I'll split one by one and explain the 7 benefits one by one. So the first benefit is Cheto Darpanamarjanam. Cheta, Chitta means heart. The heart is compared to a mirror. Like sometimes you have experienced that when you go to the bathroom and you want to see your face in the mirror, but the mirror is dusty. When the mirror is dusty, you cannot see your face clearly. So similarly, our heart is also contaminated. It is dusty. What is the dust in the heart? So the dust in the heart is compared to bad samskaras and anarthas. That is the dust. Okay, and how many layers of dust? Thick layer of dust. Not this thick. One of our senior devotees in ISKCON, His Grace Bhurijan Prabhu, says that how much dust is there? If you keep a mirror like this and you put a mountain on top of it, that mountain of dust is there. You have to remove all the dust so that you can see the mirror. So much of anarthas are there in the heart. Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsarya. They're all anarthas. So that has to be cleansed. So Cheto Darpana Marjanam. Marjanam means cleaning. So chanting Hare Krishna is compared to the process of cleaning the heart. Just like we clean our room, we clean our clothes, we have to clean our heart also. Right? We clean our body every day, right? Because it becomes dirty. Right? Sweat comes and body is smelling bad. So we clean our body by taking bath. Our clothes also become dirty, especially the portions on the collars and this sleeves. They become dirty. So I have to clean it every day, isn't it? So similarly, our heart also becomes dirty because that's coming in contact with so many improper things. We see certain things which are dirty. We may hear certain things from others which are dirty. So unwillingly, it gets contaminated. So what you have to do daily, you have to clean. And we clean our body every day. We take bath every day. Similarly, you have to clean our heart every day. Otherwise, what will happen? If you don't clean a room properly, then cockroaches will come, lizards will come, and the room will become more contaminated. If we keep cleaning regularly, then the pests will be under control. Similarly, if we clean our heart daily, then anarthas will be under control. They'll not trouble us much. So chanting cleanses the heart of all these anarthas. See this person, his heart has become so clean, but he's shining. So like that, our heart also becomes shining. And when the heart shines, when it's clean, then we can see the reflection very clearly in the mirror. You can see your face. We can see the Lord in the heart. You can see yourself as spirit soul, not this body. So that realization will come when the heart is cleansed. And for cleansing the heart, we need to chant Hare Krishna. So that's the first benefit of chanting Hare Krishna. So let's go to the next one. Bhava Mahadavagni Nirvapanam. So this means Bhava means material world. This material world is compared to Mahadavagni. Agni is fire. Davagni or Davanala means forest fire. It is Mahadavagni, is great forest fire. Sometimes in the forest, by the rubbing of the bamboos, dry sticks, the friction is caused, and then it causes sparks, and the sparks fall on the ground, and grass catches fire, and the whole forest starts blazing, and it starts burning all the trees also. So that kind of forest fire. Recently, there was a forest fire, isn't it? It was in Australia. It is said that it was burning for weeks and weeks. So much of forest land was burned to ashes. And in America also, a lot of forest fires come. In India, it is less, but in other countries, a lot of forest fire comes. So this forest fire, when it happens, to extinguish that forest fire, you cannot do it with helicopters nor your pipes. We have to have rainfall. When it rains, then the forest fire can be extinguished. So chanting is compared to that rain, shower of mercy of the Lord in the form of His holy name. So when you chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, it's like a sweet shower of nectar on our heart. And when the nectar falls on our heart, then all the kleshas, all the miseries are vanquished. So Bhava Mahadavagni Nirvapanam. So the chanting removes all miseries and kleshas, Adhyatmika, Adidaivika, and Adibhautika kleshas. Adhyatmika means miseries due to body and mind and body. Adideva means by nature. Adibhuta means by other living entities. That will reduce. Because our sinful karma are getting reduced, the miseries also reduce. And different stages of sin, they are also reduced. Aprarabdha phalam papam kutam bijam phalonmukam krameneya praliyata. Kramena rupa. All these are destroyed. And avidya, ignorance is also destroyed. Ignorance means thinking that I am this body. This material world is true. That is called ignorance. And ignorance is destroyed means what? We understand I am spirit soul and I belong to the spiritual world. I have to serve Krishna. So avidya is destroyed and knowledge is awakened in the heart. So this is the meaning of Bhava Maha Davagni Nirvapanam. So Davagni is vanquished, extinguished. Then third benefit is Shreya Kairava Chandrika Vitaranam. So there is a lotus called Kairava. This lotus blossoms by the rays of the moon. There are some lotus which blossom in the day, there are some which blossom in the night. So Kairava is a special kind of flower which blossoms in the night. So Shreya Kairava Chandrika Vitaranam. All auspiciousness manifests in one's life. Just like in the presence of full moon, the white lotus flower blossoms. So soul here is compared to that lotus. So the soul is now Sankuchita. Its consciousness is Sankuchita. It is not evolved. It's Krishna consciousness. But when the moon rays of holy name, the holy name is compared to the moon rays here. So by touch of the holy name, the soul blossoms. The love for Krishna in the heart of the soul awakens. So just like you see this lotus here, it's blossomed by the rays of the moon. Similarly, the soul also awakens its Krishna Prema. Krishna Prema is already there in the heart. It's not that we have to buy some Krishna Prema. No, it's already there. It has to be awakened. Now it is covered with a lot of anarthas. When anartha is removed, by chanting Hare Krishna and by the continuous chanting of Hare Krishna, the soul also blossoms and we awaken our Krishna Prema. So that is third benefit. Fourth is Vidya Vadhu Jivanam. He becomes filled with transcendental knowledge. So here Harinam, Vidya is compared to Vadhu. And Harinam is compared to the master. So the master has got a Vadhu or wife. So by the blessings of the holy name, The knowledge awakens in the heart. Vidya Vadhu Jivanam. So the holy name is the life of transcendental knowledge. That's what it means. Vidya Vadhu Jivanam. It is an experience that simply by chanting Hare Krishna, some people can get so many realizations. Those topics which are very difficult to understand can become very easy to understand by chanting Hare Krishna. Those habits which are very difficult to give becomes easy by chanting Hare Krishna. So that's why it's called Vidya Vadhu Jivanam. The transcendental knowledge awakens by chanting Hare Krishna. In Hare Krishna moment, even a small boy, he is not attracted to uh, like watching movies or wasting time. He will be doing something meaningful because he's chanting Hare Krishna. He gets the determination to do the right thing. So that's knowledge. The fifth benefit of chanting Hare Krishna is Anandam Buddhi Vardhanam. So the jiva submerges in an ever expanding, boundless ocean of bliss. Boundless ocean of bliss. We are looking for happiness, isn't it? People are eating because they need some happiness. They find some happiness by eating. They're sleeping because they feel some happiness, some pleasure in sleeping. They are working hard to earn money because they find some pleasure in money. But if you see all this eating, there's a limit to eating. We cannot eat more than a limit. Right? So today they made some sabudana sweet in our temple. But how much can you give? So when you serve 2-3 spoons, bas aur nahi chahiye. Yes, can you eat the whole bucket? No, the limitation. So the pleasure of material happiness is limited. Eating is limited. Sleeping, how long can we sleep? We can sleep for 6 hours, 8 hours, 10 hours. More than that, can we sleep? Some people have slept also 12 hours, 24 hours also they have slept. Like one fellow slept on Friday evening, got up on Sunday morning because he didn't sleep the whole week because of exams. Friday evening he slept after the exam, got up on Sunday morning. But more than that, he cannot sleep because he'll feel hungry, he has to eat something. So there's a limit for sleeping. And if you sleep too much, you'll get back pain also. So there's limitation. But here is the happiness, spiritual happiness, which has no boundaries. The ocean is very big. It's difficult to mark the boundary of an ocean. It cannot be measured so easily. So the happiness of Krishna Prema is like an ocean, which is ever expanding. Ananda Ambudhi means ocean. Vardhanam means expanding. So the ocean of happiness keeps expanding and expanding and expanding. So that is the nature. So you will see devotees here in this photo, they are doing Kirtan. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Yesterday also we had a Kirtan in RR Nagar in Bangalore. So we started Kirtan at 5:30 and went up to 9 o'clock. It's going on, and His Grace Patri Prabhu was leading the Kirtan with his accordion. And beautiful devotees were chanting, dancing, distributing books. We were distributing prasadam, making announcements, giving them pamphlets of the programs, and giving them some dry prasadam. So in this way, so many people on the way got benefit of hearing Krishna Sankirtan. So it's ever expanding place. And after that, we had a class up to 10 o'clock. It became late in the night yesterday. So anyway, we slept at 11 o'clock. So, but everybody was blissful. It's not that we were tired. Of course, physical tiredness was there, but mind was blissful. Then sixth benefit is Pratipadam Purna Amrita Aswadanam. At every step, the jiva relishes varieties of nectarian seva rasa. At every step, Pratipadam. Right? You take one step, and every step it is blissful. Pratipadam. You chant one mantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. And next mantra is more blissful. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So the experience of chanting is ever fresh, ever new. If you do it rightly, we can. Like His Holiness Bhakti Vignan Goswami Maharaj telling that 40 years back, somebody came to him in Russia and then told him, "Why don't you chant Hare Krishna? It is good." Then Maharaj said, "I thought I will try it." 40 years back, he said that I will try chanting Hare Krishna. And he said, and now 40 years has passed, I am still chanting Hare Krishna. So it becomes addictive. If one does it rightly, then one gets a taste which is ever increasing. Pratipadam, Purna Amrita. Amrita means nectar. Aswadanam, one relishes the taste of nectar. Unlimited waves of pleasure flood the heart of a devotee. So then you feel some pleasure, and there are different symptoms of pleasure also, which will be described in the later verses. Nayanam galadashrudharaya vadanam gadgadaruddhaya gira pulakernicitam vapukkada tavanam grahane bhavishyati. There will be tear in his eyes because of feeling of love for Krishna. His hairs will stand on end, and then there will be faltering of the voice. He'll become speechless in emotion towards Krishna. So there are some of the waves of pleasure, happiness mentioned there in Shikshashtakam, and there are total 8 Ashta Sattvika Vikaras are produced in the body. That is 6th benefit. And the 7th one is Sarvatma Snapanam. Snapanam is completely cleansed. Sarvatma means of all the selfish desires. The heart is thoroughly cleansed of all the material desires. That's called Sarvatma Snapanam. And when the heart is completely cleansed, he feels very happy, blissful, joyful, because there's no burden of material desires. We have more material desires, we'll be more miserable. But if we have no material desires, we'll be happy. So both internally and externally, the devotees become clean and cool. The head is also cool, the heart is also clean. So this is the 7th benefit of chanting Hare Krishna. So in this way, let there be victory to such a Sankirtana movement. Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. So let there be victory to this Sankirtana movement. So this is the meaning of the first shloka of Shikshashtakam. Chetodharpanamarjanam bhavamahadavagni nirvapanam Shreyakairava vitaranam vidyavadhu jivanam Anandam buddhivardhanam pratipadam purnamritaswadanam Sarvatma snapanam param vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtanam. Okay. So you can try to memorize this verse if possible. You can keep reciting it, then you will get the memorized, and then you'll be able to remember the meaning also. And before you start chanting Hare Krishna, you can remember this sloka and then chant Hare Krishna. Okay. So, anybody has any questions regarding what we discussed today? The 7 benefits of chanting Hare Krishna. Okay. So no questions. So then I was thinking that today being Ekadashi, we will chant one round together, right? So all of you are regularly chanting, but you may be chanting on your own. But today we thought we'll do together chanting. And together chanting, it is best if you can also switch on your videos. Then everybody can be seeing each other, and it'll feel like a group. And then we'll together take our beats and chant. And if you don't have beats, you can just follow our chanting. So we'll chant one round Hare Krishna mantra. Is it okay?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yes. Okay. Give me a second. I'll just. Hare Krishna. So Adhyatmika Klesha, Omkar is asking. Adhyatmika Klesha means Atma means body and the mind. So the misery is due to body and mind because of our past karma. That's called Adhyatmika Klesha. So by chanting Hare Krishna, this Adhyatmika Klesha is also removed. Okay. So shall we start chanting now?
Yes,
Prabhuji.
Okay. And whoever is possible, we can switch on your videos. So then we can see that everybody is chanting. And then we can feel like a group. Hare Krishna. So before chanting, we'll chant the Panchatattva mantra. Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shiva Sadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. We will chant Hare Krishna. I'll keep count on my beats, and others also can chant after me. So we'll chant together. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare,
Ram
Hare
Ram,
Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram,
Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare,
Hare Krishna,
Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram,
Hare Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare
Hare
Ram,
Ram,
Hare
Hare
Ram,
Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare Krishna,
Hare
Krishna Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare Hare, Hare Ram,
Hare
Hare
Ram,
Ram,
Hare
Ram
Ram,
Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna, Hare
Krishna Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare
Hare
Krishna, Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Krishna
Krishna,
Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare
Hare Ram,
Ram,
Hare
Ram
Ram,
Ram,
Ram
Hare
Ram,
Hare,
Hare
Hare Krishna, Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Krishna
Hare
Krishna, Hare
Krishna,
Hare,
Krishna
Hare
Hare Ram,
Ram,
Hare
Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare
Ram,
Ram,
Hare
Hare
Ram, Ram Ram, Hare
Hare
Hare,
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Krishna
Krishna,
Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare,
Ram Ram,
Hare
Hare
Ram, Hare
Hare
Ram,
Krishna,
Ram
Hare
Ram, Hare Hare, Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare
Hare
Hare,
Ram, Hare Ram,
Hare
Ram
Ram,
Ram,
Hare
Hare
Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Krishna,
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare Ram,
Hare Ram,
Hare
Hare Ram,
Ram, Ram
Ram Ram, Hare Hare,
Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Ram, Hare
Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram,
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Hare,
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Krishna
Krishna
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Hare,
Hare,
Hare Ram, Ram
Hare
Ram,
Ram,
Hare
Hare Ram,
Hare
Ram Ram,
Krishna,
Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare
Hare
Hare,
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram,
Hare
Hare
Hare, Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna
Krishna,
Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare
Hare
Ram,
Ram,
Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare
Hare
Hare,
Hare,
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Krishna
Krishna
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare Hare,
Hare Ram, Hare
Hare
Ram,
Ram,
Ram
Hare Ram,
Hare
Ram Ram, Hare Hare,
Krishna,
Krishna
Krishna,
Krishna Krishna,
Hare
Hare Hare,
Ram,
Hare Ram,
Ram
Hare
Krishna,
Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare
Krishna,
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare
Hare Ram, Hare
Hare
Ram, Ram
Ram, Hare Ram,
Hare
Ram Ram, Hare Hare,
Hare
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Krishna,
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare,
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,
Hare
Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Krishna, Hare
Hare Ram,
Hare
Hare
Ram,
Ram, Ram Ram,
Ram
Hare
Hare
Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Hare
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare
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 Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare,
Hare
Hare Krishna, Hare
Hare
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare
Hare
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Krishna,
Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare
Krishna,
Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna
Hare
Krishna, Hare
Krishna,
Hare,
Hare
Hare Ram, Hare
Krishna,
Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare,
Ram
Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Ram,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare
Krishna,
Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare
Krishna,
Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare,
Hare
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare
Hare
Krishna,
Krishna,
Hare Ram, Ram
Krishna Hare Hare राम हरे
Hare Krishna,
हरे हरे
Krishna Hare
कृष्ण
Hare,
कृष्ण
Hare
राम हरे हरे हरे
Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,
कृष्ण हरे
Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram
राम
Hare
राम हरे
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare
राम
Krishna,
हरे
Krishna Krishna, Hare
हरे हरे
Hare
राम
Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare,
हरे
Hare Krishna,
हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे
Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna,
हरे
Krishna, Hare
हरे
Hare,
राम हरे राम
Ram,
राम
Hare
हरे
Ram,
हरे
Ram
हरे
Ram,
हरे
Hare Krishna,
कृष्ण
Hare Krishna,
हरे
Krishna
हरे हरे
Krishna, Hare Hare,
राम
Hare Ram,
हरे
Ram Ram,
कृष्ण
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
हरे
Hare Hare,
हरे राम राम
Hare
राम
Ram, Hare
हरे
Ram, Ram, Hare Hare,
कृष्ण
Krishna, Hare
कृष्ण
Krishna,
हरे हरे
Krishna
हरे
Krishna,
राम
Hare
हरे
Hare,
राम राम
Hare Ram,
हरे
Ram
कृष्ण
Ram,
हरे
Hare
कृष्ण
Hare,
कृष्ण
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
राम हरे
Krishna
राम
Krishna,
राम
Hare
राम हरे हरे
Hare
हरे
Ram,
कृष्ण
Hare
हरे
Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,
राम
Hare
हरे
Hare,
हरे
Hare Ram,
राम
Hare
हरे
Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna. Now it's coming. Is it clear now?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay. Thank you so much. So I was telling that like this we can keep chanting every day. All of you are chanting, right? All of you are chanting. That is the criteria for this class actually. So at least some rounds you should be chanting every day, and it's very nice. And Prabhupada said that as much as possible you should try to chant 16 rounds of Hare Krishna mantra. So if you chant at a little faster pace, it takes about 7 to 8 minutes to chant one round. So if you chant 16 rounds, it may take 1 hour 45 minutes or 2 hours of time for chanting all the 16 rounds. And Prabhupada said that much, if you chant, I will take you personally back to Godhead, Prabhupada said. So you can try to come to that round, that much. How many of you are chanting more than 8 rounds here? More than 8 rounds? Okay, Omkar Tupe is chanting. I think you're chanting 16 rounds, right? How many are chanting 16? Anybody chanting 16? I think Srinivas Babu is chanting 16. Hare Krishna. Okay, Omkar is chanting 16. Okay, and more than 8 rounds? Anybody chanting more than 8? Okay, Dr. Harsha Mataji. Wonderful. Okay. Okay. And more than 4 rounds? 4 to 8? Okay. Okay. Akanksha. Okay, between 1 to 4? 1 to 4. Okay. Anuradha Mataji. Hema Mataji. Or maybe you can just type on the chat box. You can just type the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 16, whatever it is. Okay. Okay. So Hema Mataji 4, Dheeraj 1, Mohit 1, Srinivas Prabhu 1, 5, Avanish 5, Mohit 4, Nishchal 1, Akanksha 6, Apurva 1, Anuradha Mataji 3. Okay. Okay. So it's good chanting, but you can also try to increase. Like if you're chanting like 1 round for last 1 month, it's time to increase now. Right? You can go to 2. Just like when you like something, you try to eat more. So something like that. When you chant Hare Krishna, you like it, then you do more. Oh, Subhashini Mata is telling 10 rounds. That's good. It's wonderful. So, and somebody was telling that I increase 1 round every Ekadasi. Something like that. I think it was Vaishali Mataji. She was telling increasing 1 round every. Mataji is here. I think they were increasing rounds every Ekadashi. So that's good. So you can try to. So benchmark is 16 rounds, but you can try to reach that. Now we may be somewhere between 1 to 16, but you should try to aim at that and then keep that as the goal. So then slowly you will get more time. It's not that we don't have time, we have time, but that time is consumed by the what you can say, negative thoughts in the mind, waste thoughts in the mind, or some people waste time in social media and this and that. So if you cut down those things, what happens? We get more time. And when you get more time, our efficiency also increases. Okay. So, yeah. Okay, Dr. Harshamate is commenting. So it's chanting about 9 rounds. That's wonderful. So being a doctor, it's very difficult, but still chanting 9 rounds, that's amazing. There are many doctors also chanting 16 rounds, and they are not only giving physical treatment to the disease, but also giving spiritual treatment. When they are preaching, so if patients come, they say, okay, along with this medicine, you also should follow the regulative principles and chant this mantra. By chanting mantra, mind becomes peaceful, and when mind becomes peaceful, the bodily diseases also go away very easily, because the root cause of the disease in the body is the mind. So like that they tell, and they inspire people to chant Hare Krishna. So in that way, their spiritual life also begins. Okay. So thank you very much for participating in this Ekadashi program today. So I have another program with Maharaj starting at 6 o'clock. So I'll have to take leave now. So we'll meet again next next Sunday, same time, and we'll continue the. Should I continue the Sikshashtakam? What do you feel? How many of you feel that I should continue this topic of Sikshashtakam and complete it?
Yes, Prabhu.
Okay. So the next session also I'll take the Sikshashtakam, and then after that I'll take the other topic. Okay. So thank you very much. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Prabhu.